You are now watching Doorbell News.
Why did you touch my car? Why you touch my car?
Probably should leave him alone. San Clemente, California. Better keep your dogs in a kennel. San Diego, California. Looks like he's running from the popo. Too much donuts. Looks like he couldn't get over the fence. Inglewood, California. Check this guy out. What's he so happy about? I don't know what this guy wants, but he definitely needs to get lost. This happens when you have cats.
Oh my God, you guys, you fucked me so hard. Oh, you fucked me all so fucked me so hard.
Columbus, Ohio. So this lady found this toddler wandering around. Now she's trying to find her parents.
Say, Mommy, I miss you. Say, Mommy, I miss you. Say, Mommy, I miss you. Come home, Mommy. Don't abandon me another night.
Brooklyn, New York. Caught red-handed.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Anything else that you have in that bag?
No, that's it.
What are you doing? Should I call the cops on you? Unbelievable. And you're on camera, by the way. Asshole.
Better slow down. Luckily that box was there. St. Louis, Missouri. Better slow down, because this guy's driving on the wrong side of the road. Some people just don't need to be on the road. It's almost 4 in the morning. Phoenix, Arizona. Check this guy out. He breaks into somebody's backyard and takes some tools. Better keep that gate locked. It's the famous Rose. Looks like she has a reindeer suit on. Los Angeles, California. Looks like we got a Bonnie and Clyde burglary duo here.
¿Qué?
Hello?
Can I help you?
Hey, I need some help with something. Do you think I could talk to you?
You got the wrong number, or the wrong place.
Sorry.
Yeah. Get lost! Portland, Oregon. Check this guy out. He definitely doesn't look like Santa Claus.
Hi guys, I'm like totally friendly. Is there a lighter here, bro? No.
Meanwhile in Phoenix,
Sophie, you're gonna poop. Go poop. Oh my God.
meanwhile in Inglewood,
I missed you. When you let me inside the door, I love you. I'll go downstairs.
this guy's definitely at the wrong house. He definitely needs to get lost! So these guys have some kind of remote hacking device, and they make off with this Range Rover real easily. This coyote's just strolling around in broad daylight, so you better make sure your pets are inside, and inside that kennel if you leave them outside. Yeah, the coyote looks hungry. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.